Welcome back to my SwiftUI custom tab bar with center button tutorial for iOS 16 Plus. And this is part 2 where we are going to use the coordinator pattern and navigation stack so that we can navigate to a different screen. So you can see here in the simulator from the home view tab we can navigate to an inner view, go to product detail, and you can see that the custom tab is hidden. When you go back to the home view, custom tab is now visible again. So how did we do it? So if you will use the coordinator pattern, you should define a root, an enum root that conforms to hashable, and define here the different screens you will be navigating to. For this example, I have product detail and account settings. Next thing you will need to do is create a coordinator class that conforms to observable object. We have a publish variable path, navigation path, and we have three functions: push, pop, and pop to root. As you can see, these are self-explanatory functions. And then you need to create a function that will return which view you are going to navigate to. In this case, I have a build function. We have the root parameter. If the root is product detail, it will return product detail view, and for the account settings view. And now we will use this coordinator in the main view. So you can see here we have state object private var for the home coordinator. We also have another one for the profile coordinator. For the home view and profile view, you will be going to enclose it with a navigation stack. So do it like this with the path binding to the home coordinator path. So that you can navigate to a different screen, you need to add that navigation destination for the root itself, for the type of the root. Then home coordinator that build root. So this will return which view you are going to navigate to. So that we can use the home coordinator inside the home view, we added a .environment object here. Do this also for the profile view, but using the profile coordinator instance. Inside the home view, we can now use the home coordinator instance via @environment object. So you can see here a button coordinator.push. We're going to the product detail. So in this case, if you click this, it will navigate to product detail. For the back button, it is the built-in functionality for the navigation stack, but you can also customize this back button. Another thing is if you like to hide the custom tab, so I created a state variable tab visible here, and then I created a custom environment key tab visibility. You can see the code here. So that you can use this environment variable anywhere inside the views here. For example, in home view, on the product detail view, you can see that I use the tab visibility environment here. So if the product detail view appears, we hide the custom tab, and if it disappears, we show again the custom tab. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment section below. And again, you can download immediately the code of this one in my GitHub. The link is on the description below. Thank you very much. And for the part 3, I would like to show you how to pass data from the home view to the product detail view. So if you like to pass data from the home view to the product detail view, please watch the part 3 of this video. Thank you. Please hit like and subscribe.